As I have discussed in the previous class, the carry generation equation is given by AI, BI, and carry propagation equation, that is PI, is given by AI dot BI. Now we have to represent this expression in form of universal basic case, as I have done over here. As you can see that G0 will be equal to A0 B0. Therefore, I have represented G0 A0 B0 by using an AND gate, and we get the output G0, which we will get at A0 and B0, and PI P0 will be equal to A0 XOR B0. Therefore, by using XOR gate, I have represented P0. Similarly, for G1, P1, G2, P2, G3, P3, I have represented all these carry generation and propagation expression in the form of AND and XOR gate. Okay. Now, as you have all seen that as some expression is given by A0 XOR B0 XOR Cin, and over there you have all seen that A0 XOR B0 is given by P0. Therefore, sum 0 can be written as P0 XOR Cin. Similarly, S1 can be written as P1 XOR P0, and S2 can be written as P2 XOR P1, and S3 can be written as P3 XOR C2. So, I have represented this sum expression in the form of P0, and I have taken this Cin as an input. Therefore, S0 can be written as P0 XOR Cin, and S1 can be written as P1 XOR C0, and C0, the carry output expression, as I have discussed in the previous class, is given by P0 Cin plus G0, therefore which is the CO expression, and S1 expression will be P1 XOR C0. Similarly, you can do for S2 and S3, and final, then you have to calculate the C3 expression, which I will discuss in the next class. Or you can do one thing, make a C3 expression using G3 and P3 C2 using the similar method I have discussed. Just